Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn Lao language along with other languages like Hmong, French, Chinese, and Thai. Bear in mind the other language I'm still learning, so um, should be a comment if we need to make correction. Okay, I'm still learning, so let's get started. Let's go to the next page. The the next letter in the Lao alphabet is letter Go, Gai, meaning chicken, and in Hmong, it's called Gai, Poulet in French, and Chi in Chinese, Gai in Thai. Second letter is called Ko, Kai, meaning egg. In Chinese called Dan. Third letter is called Ko, Kwai, meaning buffalo. Từ. Go to the next page. Next letter is Ngo, Ngu, meaning snake. Mong, you can say Na, Serpong in French, Shi in Chinese, and Ngu in Thai. Next letter is called Jo, Jan, meaning this. Tai in Hmong and Pra, Deer and Jan. Next letter is called So, Sure, meaning tiger. Jaw, Tigray, and Hue, Sure. Next letter is called So, Sang, meaning elephant. Xiang, also elephant in Chinese, and Sang, same thing in Thai. Yo is the next letter, and example is called Nhung, meaning mosquito. Wenji is Chinese. Same thing in Thai, Nhung. Do is the next letter. Dek, meaning infant or child. In Hmong, we call Minua. In French, call enfant. Hai chữ in Chinese. Dek, also in Thai. Next letter is called To, meaning Ta. For example, I mean eyes. Komua in Hmong. Yan in Chinese, and Ta in Thai, same thing. Next letter is called To, Tong, Na. Okay. Next letter is called To, Tong, meaning flag. Okay. Next letter is called No, Nok, meaning bird. Next letter is Bo, Bear, meaning goat. Next letter is called Po, Pa. Same thing. In Thai, called Pla. Next letter is Po, Peng. Mi Fang is Chinese. Next letter is Po, Fun, meaning is rain. Lo, Na in Hmong, Blue in French, and Yu in Chinese. Next letter is called Po, Pu, meaning mountain. Shan in Chinese, Pu Khao in Thai. Next letter is called Po, Phai, meaning fire. Lúa tàu in Hmong, Feu in French, and Hu in Chinese. Thai is the same thing in Laos called Phai. Next one is Mo, male, mean cat. Hmong, they call me, French Charles, and meow in Chinese. Next letter is called Yo, Ya, medicine. Chua mean Hmong. Medicament in French and Yushu in Chinese. Ya, the same thing, pronunciation, a little bit different in writing in Thai. Lo, lot. Lo, lot, meaning car, automobile. Che in Hmong, voiture in French, and cuisine in Chinese. Wall is the next letter. V, wall V mean fan. Phun Shang in Chinese. In Thai, they call fan, exactly like English. Next letter is Ho, Han, meaning goose. Okay. Next letter is O. Examples are called I, meaning cough. Nung in Hmong, Latu in French, and Queso in Chinese, and I, the same thing in Lao. Last letter is called Ho. Nguyen, meaning house. J in Hmong, Mazong in French, and Wu in Chinese, and Ban in Thai. In Lao, they have this character symbol make the sound of the letter go up and down. Okay, they call my egg. Look, that is my egg. My toe, this is my toe. My T, this is my T. My Chattawa, this is my Chattawa. Okay. And also they have what they call salat. This letter is helping letter along with the alphabet make the sound depends on the letter. Okay, so make sure you remember the this symbol and try to remember it and the pronunciation. Okay, this is called sala, sala a, sala I, sala I, sala u, sala u, sala e, sala e, sala e, sala e, sala o, sala o, sala o, sala o, sala I, sala I, sala I, sala I, sala I, sala I, sala o, sala o, I, ow, And the next one is the conjoined letter together and make with the salad here make the sound difference. It's called ngo, nyo, no, mo, ro, wo. Okay, and that's the conclusion of this lesson number 1. So hope you have a nice day, and we'll see you next time on lesson number 2. Have a nice day.